May today be the day you begin to release the burdens that weigh down your spirit and clear the blockages that impede your energy's flow. Let us start on a journey together to discover the power of simplicity in healing and the profound peace that comes from aligning with our true energetic potential. In this space of learning and growth, we invite clarity and light to guide us as we move towards a life marked by ease and vitality. Join me in accepting the practices that not only nourish our bodies, but also our spirits. Okay. Energy blockages are like barriers within our body's energy pathways. Imagine a stream where water flows freely. This is how energy ideally moves through our bodies. However, sometimes, just like a dam in a river, blockages can occur. These blockages can cause energy to stagnate, leading to various physical and emotional discomforts. Recognizing the symptoms of blocked energy is the first step to addressing them. You might feel physically drained or suffer from frequent headaches. Emotionally, symptoms can range from sudden bursts of anger to prolonged periods of depression. Mentally, it might be hard to concentrate, or you may feel anxious without any apparent reason. These signs suggest that the energy flow within your body is disrupted, needing attention and care. The causes of these blockages are as varied as the symptoms. One major contributor is our lifestyle. In a world where fast food, minimal movement, and high stress are common, it's easy for our bodies to get out of balance. Poor dietary choices can lead to physical blockages, while a lack of exercise can cause energy to stagnate because our body isn't physically stimulated enough to push the energy through. Another significant cause is emotional baggage. Holding on to intense emotions like anger, sadness, or fear can create significant blockages in our energy flow. These emotions are meant to be felt and then released, but when we hold on to them, they can create a buildup that disrupts our energy systems. Understanding these causes helps us see the importance of addressing our habits, which we will discuss next. By making simple changes, we can remove these blockages and restore a healthy flow of energy, setting the stage for enhanced well-being and vitality. One of the most common habits that can lead to energy blockages is overthinking. When we overthink, we tend to create unnecessary stress and anxiety, which disrupts our energy flow. Constantly analyzing past conversations or worrying about future events can keep your energy stuck, as you're not allowing it to flow naturally. To reduce overthinking, try incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Mindfulness helps you stay in the present moment and reduces the tendency to dwell on the past or worry about the future. Simple breathing exercises can also be very effective. For instance, whenever you find yourself overthinking, pause, take a deep breath, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. This can help reset your mental state and clear the mental clutter that blocks your energy. Another habit that significantly affects our energy flow is negative self-talk. When we constantly criticize ourselves, whether about our appearance, abilities, or worth, it can create heavy blockages in our energy. This negative self-talk reinforces self-doubt and lowers our vibrational energy. Changing this narrative involves conscious effort. Start by observing your thoughts and gently correcting them when you notice negative patterns. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough to succeed," pause and replace it with a more supportive thought like, "I am capable and can learn what I need to succeed." Gradually, this practice will help shift your internal dialogue to be more uplifting and encouraging, which can significantly improve your energy flow. Both overthinking and negative self-talk can be challenging habits to break, but by becoming more aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can begin to change the patterns that block your energy. This transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent practice, you can start to feel a significant difference in your energy levels and overall well-being within just a few days. By addressing these habits, you're taking important steps toward not only clearing energy blockages, but also enhancing your overall quality of life. Worrying excessively about the future is another habit that can severely block your energy flow. When your mind is constantly occupied with what might happen tomorrow, next week, or even years down the line, it can create a state of perpetual anxiety. This anxiety not only affects your mental health, but also creates a blockage in your energy system, preventing you from fully experiencing the present moment. To combat this habit, it's important to cultivate a practice of staying present. One effective method is to engage in daily meditation, focusing on your breath or a mantra that grounds you in the now. Another simple technique is to set aside specific times during the day to plan for the future, limiting this activity to just those periods. This helps keep future-oriented stress contained to those moments rather than letting it permeate your entire day. Holding on to past traumas is perhaps one of the most significant energy blockers. Unresolved emotions and experiences from the past can linger in our energy field, creating dense blockages that are hard to shake off. These blockages can manifest as fear, sadness, or anger that inexplicably bubble up, disrupting our current life. Releasing these past traumas is crucial for clearing your energy pathways. Start by acknowledging that these experiences happened and that they no longer need to hold power over you. Practices such as therapeutic writing can be incredibly beneficial. Writing about your experiences and emotions in a journal allows you to express and process these feelings safely and constructively. For some, seeking professional help from a therapist to work through deeper traumas can also be a necessary step. By addressing these two habits, you're taking significant strides towards improving not only your emotional and mental health, but also your energetic well-being. Each step you take to reduce worry about the future and release past traumas helps clear the blockages that have been holding you back. Allowing your energy to flow more freely and vibrantly. While we continue, we'll explore more habits that affect your energy and provide practical advice on how to transform these patterns for a healthier, more balanced life. Stay tuned for further insights that will help you maintain a clear and positive energy flow. The media we consume daily, whether it's news, social media, or entertainment, can significantly influence our emotional and energetic state. Constant exposure to negative content can lead to feelings of despair, fear, and anxiety, which can create and reinforce blockages in our energy pathways. To counteract the effects of negative media, make a conscious choice to curate your media intake. Aim to balance your consumption with positive and uplifting content. This doesn't mean ignoring important news, but rather finding a healthy balance. For instance, you could set specific times to check news updates and spend equal or more time on content that uplifts and inspires you. Engaging in activities that boost your mood and spirit, like watching inspirational videos or listening to uplifting music, can also counterbalance the negativity. With an understanding of what habits to stop, it's equally important to know what positive changes to implement to maintain a clear and free-flowing energy. Regular practices that cultivate good energy can be simple yet profoundly effective. Incorporate activities such as yoga, meditation, or even a simple daily walk. These activities not only improve your physical health, but also enhance your energy flow and mental clarity. What you eat and drink plays a crucial role in how your energy moves and stabilizes. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your system clean and your energy levels stable. A diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support your body's energy systems. Avoid heavy processed foods, which can lead to energy sluggishness. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you create a natural rhythm that supports sustained energy flow. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and you'll likely notice significant improvements in your overall energy and well-being. We've now explored several habits that can lead to energy blockages and discussed practical steps to clear these blockages. By making these changes, you can expect to see not only short-term benefits, such as improved mood and increased energy, but also long-term improvements in your overall health and well-being. While we are near the conclusion of our exploration into clearing energy blockages, let's reflect on the expected outcomes from implementing the changes we've discussed and wrap up with a recap to empower you to maintain these new habits. After adopting the practices we've outlined, stopping negative habits and incorporating positive changes, you may be curious about what to expect. And in the short term, within just 3 days, you might notice several improvements that indicate your energy is beginning to flow more freely. These can include feeling more rested upon waking up, experiencing greater mental clarity, and a noticeable decrease in feelings of anxiety or stress. In the long term, maintaining these practices can lead to even more profound changes. Consistently avoiding energy-blocking habits and engaging in energy-boosting activities can enhance your overall vitality, improve your emotional resilience, and increase your ability to focus and think clearly. These benefits not only contribute to a healthier and more joyful life, but also support your spiritual growth and personal development. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We identified habits that block energy flow, such as overthinking, negative self-talk, excessive worrying about the future, holding on to past traumas, and consuming negative media. We explored practical steps to counter these habits, including mindfulness practices, changing the narrative of our internal dialogue, managing media consumption, and adopting daily routines that enhance our physical and energetic health. And by making these adjustments, you're taking powerful steps toward not only clearing your energy blockages, but also building a foundation for sustained well-being. Remember, the journey to maintaining clear and vibrant energy is ongoing, and consistency is key. As we conclude this video, I encourage you to start with 1 or 2 changes that feel most doable for you right now. Gradually incorporate more as these become habitual. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any changes you notice, so please share your thoughts and progress in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it as well.